Friends, please join fast. I could not see anybody here. 1 minute. Let me check this. Is there anyone? Hello, friends. Good morning. Is screen visible, friends? Is there anyone? Okay, I could see only two members are there. Hello. Friends, please join fast so that I can start the session. Hello. Good morning, friends. There are 6 people only. So, friends, I will just wait for 1 more minute. By 11:10, we will start it sharp so that we don't have to wait more. Because maybe there are people they're not hello friends, hello sir, hello Milanji, good morning sir. Okay, I could see 9 members are there. Hi friends, hi, good morning everyone. I hope you could see my screen. I have opened, let me just apply. I have opened Asian Paints Limited in investing.com. Okay, so now I will go to indicator section because our today's indicators we are going to discuss is RSI and MACD. So here is RSI, relative strength index. Good morning, friends. Good morning, everyone. Most welcome to everyone for this session. And second indicator that we need, friends, that is MACD. This is moving average convergence divergence. Okay. So I have applied both the indicators. We don't need anything else. Okay. So friends, I'm starting now. Good morning, and most welcome everyone in this session. And I hope I will make this session fruitful for everyone. I will try my best, friends, so that I could give you my best. Okay, but follow it with the proper way as I'm telling you. I will explain in my session. And friends, if you like my video or sessions or my teaching, so please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my request to everybody. So friends, without wasting time, let us move on. Okay, so you could see here there is an upper part. There is this is RSI in 14. I am using by default settings. Okay, so let me show you what are the settings here. So it's RSI 14. and you could see here its oversold value is uh, that is 30, and overbought value is 70. Okay, means 70-30 combination, right? And in MACD, you could see here MACD there are three things, friends. 1 minute. Yes, so you could see here that there is 12, 26, and 9. Okay, this is our setup. Okay, this is these are I'm using these things I'm using by default. So friends, we can add one more MACD, but I will make some changes in that. Okay, I have added one more MACD, but I am going to make some changes in this. I will make it 6, signal length I will make it to 6. Okay, let me just modify it a little more. Let us try it with smaller combination of 5, 15, and 5. Let us make it 5, 15, 5. I'm using this, as my own, setup because it works very well for me. I take it as a confirmation, friends. But here it looks little different also. No need, remove it. Remove it, friends. We will just go with RSI by default RSI and MACD by default setups because we are using already two indicators are there. Okay. So first of all, friends, I will tell you about its use in the intraday. For intraday, I will check for 5 minutes time frame. Friends, if you have any suggestion, you can suggest any stock. If you want to study, you can suggest me some stocks also. I have just opened Asian Pin randomly, but if you have any, if anybody wants any stock to be discussed, so please you type here. Friends, you can suggest your stocks as well. If you want any stock to be discussed, so you can just name your stock so that I can start with that stock. ACC, okay. One suggestion is there, ACC. So let us see ACC. ACC Limited. Okay, friends, I am going with ACC. Okay, someone is saying Reliance also. So in later part, if I get time, I will show Reliance also. But now I have opened ACC. Okay. So friends, first of all, I will take a horizontal line. Okay, and I will make it. Let us make it blue line. Okay. So friends, we have to mark one area, one level of the MACD. That is zero level. Okay. Zero level. Okay, and I will take one more line, horizontal line, where I will mark level of 50 on RSI. I have marked MACD zero line and RSI 50 level. Okay, so let me just make it bigger. First of all, I will make MACD little bigger so that you can clearly see. You can see the histogram as well, and you could see the zero level. So this zero level, I will teach you. First of all, we will go with zero level strategy. Okay. So how to play as per zero level. And for intraday, I'm using 5 minutes time frame. So 5 minutes is it's my experience that 5 minutes is right time signal. But remember, friends, higher the time frame, more reliable the signal is. Okay. So I'm going with 5 minutes time frame. So you could see here at this point of time. This is, let me just 1 minute. Okay. So friends, you could see here that at this level, sorry, I will make this screen a little bigger so that everybody can see clearly. Okay. So see here, friends, we have to take two confirmation from two indicators if we want our trading to be, more successful. So you could see here, once MACD was, let me explain from this point of time. This is on 26th, on 26th of October. Okay, what happened this day? So you could see here that this stock opened here in this level. You could say the opening was 1368 and its high was 1368.95. Means open was almost equal to high. So that's already an indication that the stock can fall. Friends, I will go first up. I will go with ACC. Then I will move on to some stocks also. So without wasting time, let me explain. So you can apply this setup anywhere, friends. You can apply this setup anywhere in any index as well, Nifty, Bank Nifty. But yes, remember those who play with Bank Nifty, there is a big gap. So there's a big risk and reward. Okay, right. So let me just, you have to go with proper system. Okay. Right. So you could see here, friends, on 26th of October, this ACC Limited has, it's, you could see there's a big red candle. Okay. And, its high was almost, sorry, open was almost equal to high. Open is almost equal to high. That's a condition that the stock can fall down because it's just 95 paisa difference is there. So we can consider this as a selling candidate for the day. Okay. And see what RSI is showing us. RSI is, just moved below 50 level. So 50 level of RSI is very important, friends. I have marked this level with this blue line. So you could see here that this day it is already below 50 actually. Previous day on closing basis, this RSI has gone below 50. Okay, it has gone below 50. So, it has given an indication that the stock can fall down. Okay. And its opening is, at the opening time, you can see the bearish candle. Okay, there's a bearish candle and see this RSI is, below 50. So that's an indication that stock is weak. That the stock is weak, and look at the, MACD indicator. I have marked the zero level of the MACD. So this zero level strategy is very important, friends. MACD zero level strategy is, it's a very important level. You can see that there is I have marked the line. I have taken a horizontal line. Blue line you could see here. Okay, so you can see some bars upside. Let me make this bigger so that you can clearly see what I'm saying. See here, friends, there are some bars, red bars on the upside, and there are some bars downside. Okay, actually, the point where the upward bars and downward bars are, they're starting. So there is a line actually. This level is actually zero. You could see my cursor and look at this portion. You could see its value. Its value is 0.05. Okay, its value is 0.05. Okay, yeah, it's zero actually. Okay, so we have to look at as per this zero level of the MACD. If stock is below zero level, okay, right, so that's an indication that stock can can be shorted. That's a sell signal actually. That's a sell signal, and you could see there is a crossover also. Look at this point, there is a crossover. Let me mark this level. I will mark this level with a horizontal line. What I'm saying, there is a crossover also, and let us change its color to red just to show you that it's a sell signal. Okay, there is a crossover as well. In the very first candle, in this opening candle, you could see there is a crossover where red line has crossed above and blue line has gone below. So this is a sell signal by MACD indicator. So there was a sell signal by MACD indicator, and RSI also has given us a signal that stock is weak now, because when stock is below 50, when it's gone below 50 from some higher level, initially it was higher. Okay, let me just make it bigger also. You could see there RSI once in previous session, RSI was somewhere 60 or so. It came here. Okay, and this day on 26th of October, it has gone below 50 level of the RSI. So that is showing that stock is weak now. If a stock is above 50 level of RSI, that shows strength. Okay, that shows the strength for the stock. Okay, and if it is below 50, that's a sign, it's a sign of weakness. So it has given us the signal of that stock is weak now. Okay, and even MACD has also given us the sell signal. So we could have gone in the sell side with the, after this, once one candle is completed, we can go short on the next candle. We can go short on the next candle, and we will sell it below the, low of the first candle. Let me mark that level also. So we can sell this stock at the low. And where we should keep our stop loss? Our stop loss should be little above, this first candle high, or better it's, you can check the previous day candles are there. So you can keep their body high. You can keep the stop loss at the body high. Okay, so let us see what is the difference of the entry level. It is approximately, our entry is 1358. Okay, and the stop loss comes to be somewhere 1372. Okay, it's a big difference. So friends, we don't need that much. We can simply keep at the high of this. Keep a little buffer. Okay, what is the high of this candle? High of this candle is 1368.95. So we can keep it 1370. Okay, means approximately 1369. So we can keep 1 rupee buffer and keep a stop loss of 1370. Let me just make it 1370 level. Friends, before entering an entry trade, we have to decide that how much risk is there. Once you check what is your risk and reward, okay, only then you can go with the stock. Okay, if you feel that you're comfortable with that much risk, okay, don't think of making money. Just think of that how much money you can lose in this trade. There is nothing like that if you have gone short, so it's giving us an indication it may hit our stop loss also. We should be ready for stop loss. Okay, so we should trade as per calculated risk and take if you can see that you can digest this much loss, then only we should go in this trade. So see, it has given us a signal up somewhere around 1358. We can sell it at 1358 level, and the stop loss is 1370. Okay, means it has a risk of approximately 12 rupees. Okay, so there is a risk of 12 rupees. So we have to see how much. So we can expect approximately 24 rupees, because our risk to reward should be in the ratio 1:2. Okay, so let us check how much it has gone down. So friends, from that level of 50, 58, 1358, stock has came down to this level. Even this level, friend, it has made a low of 1343, 44, approximately 44. Okay, approximately 44. So it has given us how much? 44, 650. Okay, approximately 14 points, friends. It has given us only 14 points. It has given us approximately 14 points, roughly. Okay, right? So see, what was the condition by that time? Let me just make it smaller. So stock has given us a sell side entry at this level. Okay, we have gone short, and it came down to level of somewhere 1344 or so. Okay, and look at this RSI level and the MACD. Okay, so it has once gone there, right? And see what happened. MACD is still it is showing weakness, because MACD crossover is there, and there is no sign of reversal till this time. Stock has not given us a sign of reversal. Okay, right? But this RSI has once it has gone below this level and it started moving upward. So once it touched somewhere 20 level, RSI has just touched 20 level. That's why I'm adding, sometimes MACD signals are late. Sometimes MACD signals are late. So for that, I've added RSI here. So you could see RSI has just touched 20 level and started up moving up. Okay. Once it is about 30, once it has gone above 30, we should, exit from our trade. Here we should exit our, because RSI has given us an indication that stock can go higher. Okay. or we could wait for some more time, let the confirmation come from MACD also. So you could see at this level there is a crossover of, there is a, we can say this is a bullish crossover. Now there is a bullish crossover on the MACD indicator. So you could see that the blue line has crossed above the red line. So this is a clear indication now stock can go higher. Okay, if it doesn't go higher, so okay, maybe it doesn't go higher, but we should, it's a signal that we should take an exit from this trade now. So what is that level? The level is somewhere this level, 1350 or so. So means we should exit from this trade now. Those who have not exited in this level, okay, because we are expecting approximately 20-24 points, but stock has not given us movement in the ratio 1:2. Okay, it has not given us risk as per 1:2 ratio. Okay, but see it now, MACD has given us a clear indication that now after there is a there is a bearish crossover, and then there is again a bullish crossover. So friends, at this point of time we should take an exit with somewhere around 8 rupees profit, because we have gone short at 1358 level. Okay, it moved down to 44 somewhere. Okay, 1344. If we, those who have not taken a profit by this time, okay, so we must take an exit from this level, because now the MACD is showing that stock can go higher, and you could see the MACD signal is intact in the bullish. This is a bullish signal, friends. Okay, this is one thing, but friends, now let us move forward. So see what happened. See, in spite of there is a bullish crossover by the MACD, and you could see the RSI has also gone above 30, but it could not cross 50 level. RSI could not cross 50 level, and MACD has not crossed above 0 level. So there is a, those who have patience, and those they can bear some, especially friends, it's for risk takers. It is for risk taker, those who have the ability to take risk. Okay, there are two types of traders. Those who are safe traders. So for safe traders, I have told you that safe traders should have taken an exit at this level. Okay, or at this level as well, because there is a bullish crossover by MACD. So for safe traders, this is a right exit for the safe traders. But those who have the capacity to take more risk, they would be in the same sell side. Okay, till the time this stock crosses are above 50, okay, and sustain above 50. And second thing is we have to look for this zero line of the MACD. So you could see that nowhere this stock has crossed, MACD has nowhere crossed above this zero line, nowhere. At one level it has tried to cross but could not sustain. So this is still a sign of signal. But friends, remember, this is only for intraday. It is only for intraday. But you could see here for whole day the stock has remained below our entry level. Lower it has even touched our entry level as well. So it's a clear indication for the whole day stock remained weak. But the right exit was somewhere at this level or this level, I told you. And see, at the end of the day, we would have to exit at this level, same level of somewhere 14 or 1350 or so. So friends, by the end of the day, we have to exit, we have to close a trade somewhere 1350. So why should we wait for that long time? So it's better we would have exited at this level. So it's waste of energy for whole day. Stock could not even, it could not fall or could not rise above this level. Okay, so this is the right setup. So I hope this thing is clear, friends. So I have shown you for intraday how it could work. Okay, there are so many messages. Let me see. Friend, just give me 1 minute because there are so many messages reflecting. Okay, someone wants Bank Nifty. Okay, friends, I will go to Bank Nifty also. Friends, don't discuss so many things. There are people discussing some scams as well. I'm not here to tell any scams. Okay, I'm here to tell you, how we can make use of this strategy, this setup, how we can make use of this setup. And I don't want to, extend my session longer than 1 hour. Okay, I want to keep it smaller than 1 hour, because there are many people who face difficulty in watching it later time. Okay. So friends, I will go with some other stock. So 1 minute. There are so many unnecessary discussion going on. Okay. Yeah, let us. Okay, friends, I am going with Bank Nifty. Okay, let us go with Bank Nifty. Many people want to study Bank Nifty. Just wait. Okay, Nifty Bank is open now. Bank Nifty future. Okay, let us go with Bank Nifty future. Okay, friends. So you could see the setup. So I will again, because I'm opening with second stock, so I will need to mark the level of 50 on RSI. Friends, always remember there are some levels of the that are very important, and zero level of the MACD. Okay, approximately zero level of MACD. So friends, I have marked these levels. So now let us see what happened in this stock. So you could see, sorry, in Bank Nifty, actually this is Bank Nifty. See, previous day, I'm telling about, on 25th. On 25th, Bank Nifty had a, was, has closed at this level of 25,005 or so, 25,500 and so. Sorry, 25,005. Yes, you could see the closing candle at this level. I will keep my cursor here, so you could see its closing was at 25,007. This is Bank Nifty future. Okay, this is Bank Nifty future. So you could see here the stock was, this Bank Nifty was has closed at 25,007 level. Okay, and there was a gap down opening. There was a gap down opening for Bank Nifty this day, and you could see here, friends, sharp the RSI has sharply gone below. RSI was at somewhere 62 level. RSI was at 62 level, 62, 63 level. Okay, it has stayed gone below 50. Okay, once it has gone below 50, it has shown that it is weak now. That Bank Nifty, it has shown us the sign, it has given us the sign of weakness. Okay, it has shown us the sign of weakness. Okay, and you could see the signal of MACD. So MACD has also given us a sell signal in the very first candle. In the very first candle, the MACD has shown that it's weak, and there is a bearish crossover of the MACD. So it has gone. You could see here that MACD has given us sell signal. Even RSI also shown that stock is weak. Okay, so we would have gone short only after the completion of first candle. So let me mark the first candle level. I will mark its high and low, and I will mark the level where we should keep our stop loss. Okay, so we should go short in the second candle after first candle closed. So we can go short at the level of 24,785 or so. Yes, approximately 85 level. 24,785 level we could go short. And friends, we need to keep our stop loss at the first candle high. Okay, minimum at first candle high. So what is our level? This is somewhere 24,890. Okay, or we can keep it at 24,900. Okay, so how much risk is there? There is a risk of approximately 115 points. Yes, approximately 115 points risk is there. Okay, so you could see here that that there is a risk of approximately 115 points risk is there. If we can digest this much risk, if we are comfortable with this much risk, then only we can go short in this trade and expect approximately equal to one, at least 1:1, or in the ratio 1:2. So see, let us see whether it has given us that much or not. Okay, so if we have shorted this bank nifty at 24,785 level, okay, it has gone down to level of 24,697. So we can say approximately 24,700. Okay, means it has given us only 85 points. It has given us 85 points. Okay, and see what was the condition of MACD that time. MACD, at that time was still in short side. So, but this level, friends, at this level, it has given us, there is a bearish crossover. There is a bearish crossover. Sorry, bullish. Sorry, there is a bullish crossover now. Now there is a bullish crossover at this level of. Okay, so the level was somewhere around 24,720, 30. Okay, somewhere this level, friends, safe traders would have exited at this level. Safe traders need to take an exit at this level because see, there is a crossover of MACD bullish crossover is there. So once there is a bullish crossover, so that's an indication that safe traders should take an exit at 24,730 level. So means those who have taken exit at this level, they would have got only approximately 50. We can say approximately 50 points. Okay, approximately 50 points reward is in their pocket. Okay, but it's not bad. Bad, not bad. Okay, see, safe traders should have taken an exit at this level. Okay, and those who have patience, they can wait for the stop loss, so they can still remain in position in spite of this condition. Because see, RSI is showing that stock is still weak, because RSI is also giving us indication of strength. Okay, RSI has not crossed 50 level. At one level it has just crossed, but that level is let me check at level is maximum at it has gone just 30 points above our entry level, friends. Sorry, not 30. It has gone approximately 50 points above our entry level. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you that safe traders should have taken an exit somewhere around 24,730. Okay, but those with patience, they can still remain in this position. Okay, those who can bear the stop loss, they can still remain and see what happened once it gone there, again fallen down. Okay, again gone up. Okay, at this time, friends, at this time it has crossed above 50. So this is a very clear indication that at least we should have taken an exit at cost to cost. There is another indication that now we should take an exit at cost to cost, because see, RSI has gone above 50 level. So it's and sustained there. So it's an indication that we should take an exit. That we should take an exit and see what happened. Even the MACD has also crossed zero level. So the zero level of MACD is very important. Once stock crosses that, so that's an indication we should take an exit, because we have earlier gone short. So we need to take an exit at least cost to cost, or few points loss, little loss. Okay, that's a clear indication that we should have taken an exit. Okay, so see what happened again. At the end of the day, we could say around after 1 o'clock. Sorry, this is 1 o'clock. Yeah, approximately 1 o'clock. There is another crossover, friends. You could see there is another crossover that MACD has shown a bearish crossover again. And see, RSI has also gone below 50. So friends, you take these two combinations. Okay, so these two combination are taken as a confirmation for any entry or exit. Once both the indicators are given as an indication that stock can fall now. So see, there is a bearish crossover, and MACD has RSI also gone below 50 level. So it's again a signal that one can again go short in this trade. Okay, so forget the previous trade by this time. So we can initiate a fresh trade in this, in Bank Nifty at this level. It has given us an indication that we can take a sell. So in this case, friends, now we have a previous level, so we can keep a stop loss at the high of the previous level. Here our stop loss should be at the high of the previous level. This level is, our previous level is somewhere 24,876, or let us say it is 877. Okay, we can keep stop loss of 24,877, and we can go short in the next candle. You can see there is a big bearish candle. I'm talking of this candle actually. After this candle is completed, okay, and see, by the time there is a signal by MACD, and both RSI is also telling that stock is weak now. That Bank Nifty is weak now because it has, after crossing 50 level, it made to some level high, okay, but could not sustain again. Again, it has again moved down 50. So we can again initiate our sell entry at the low of this candle. Means that second candle we can take an entry, sell entry. Somewhere, let us say our sell entry somewhere around 24,760 or so. Okay. And this time it has given a big dip. And see, what was our risk and reward? We should see, if we have entered 24,760 level, our stop loss was at 24,877. One minute. I think it was 877. Yes. Yes, friends. It was somewhere 877 or 8. Let us say 880. Okay. So how much risk is there? There is a risk of approximately 100. Let us say 60. Okay. So approximately 100 and 15, 20, 100, 120 points or so. Again, there is a risk of approximately 120 or so. Okay. And we could see that how much dip it has given from that level. Okay. From 760 level. Okay. Stock has gone below. Okay. By this time, what was the time? We have to see the time also. So by 2:30, it has made a dip up to 546 or so. Okay. From 760, it has moved to 620. Then, okay. So friends, we should have taken our profit at this level. We should have taken our profit at this level somewhere. Okay. Are those, because his stock remained here for some time. So after, after a big fall from this level, okay. After a big fall from this level, so one stock tries to stabilize here. Okay. So either we should take our profit at this level somewhere around 600 approximately. We can say 24,600. Means so far we have got 160 points. 160 points are done. Okay. Our let us check later. Yes, by 3 o'clock it has moved down to 520 level as well. Okay. So it has again, then after, see friends, it has remained weaker in the lower side, and you could see that MACD is, it has once gone below. So see, it's shown weakness, and see RSI also. So both the indicators are telling us that this Bank Nifty is weak now. Okay, so use this, combination of RSI and MACD, and trade strictly as per the levels. Okay, follow the indicators properly. Okay, friends, is this clear? So some people are saying about Nifty also. Let us go to Nifty. So friends, follow it strictly. Follow the system strictly. Let us check with Nifty 50. Okay, this is a Nifty 50 chart. Okay. So yeah, same on 26th. See, these are the levels up. So I will not mark anything now. We could see here, I have told you, I will just keep my, let us just mark it because it becomes easier. I will mark 50 level on RSI. So friends, always remember that one stock is below 50 level of RSI. That's a clear indication, but it should be above, once it has gone from some level high, it has gone below 50. That's a clear indication that stock is weak and it can fall now. So you could see it from previous level, it made to some level. Previous day, it was already it's showing weakness. Okay. This day as well on 26th, it has gone below 50. It was already below 50. It has gone below 30 as well. It has gone below 30. Okay. And see the RSI, let me mark the, sorry, MACD level also. It was already below the zero line of the MACD. Friends, I will change its color to blue because, MACD signal is, already there are many red lines are there. Okay. So I have marked this. So you could see, friends, MACD indicators already in previous day as well. it has given a sell signal for the Nifty. Okay, and once it has gone below, zero level, so it's a clear indication that one can go short. Okay, so one can go short in the below the close of first 5 minutes candle. Let me mark that level as well. Means somewhere around approximately, yes, this level, friends. This is our level, and simply we can keep stop loss at the high of first 5 minutes candle. First 5 minute candle high is our stop loss. So means stop loss is somewhere 10116. We can keep it safe side 10120. 10120. Let us mark that level. Means 10,120 level. Let me mark one line there also. This is our stop loss, friends. This is our stop loss. Okay. So see, once it has gone below 10,000, what was the entry level? Our entry in the short entry is somewhere 10,060. Sorry, 10,066 or so. Okay, it has made a dip till 10,005. Means it has given us approximately 65 points. 60 points approximately. We could say it has given us 60 points. It has given us 60 points, and what was the risk? Risk was it is 65 or so, and okay, so friends, it has given us, it's a good trade. We would have taken an exit somewhere here. Okay, and see at that level, once RSI is, it touched somewhere 1920 level. Okay, once RSI has gone below 19 or 20 level, okay, it started movement, upward movement. Okay, so by this time, once it crosses above 30 level below, there is another sign. Once stock goes above 30, so that's an indication, friends, that we should take an exit. Let me mark the level of 30. So friends, you can use this thing once stock goes above 30. So it's a signal for the safe traders to take an exit. So where is that level? Yes, at the very, second candle, green candle. Okay. So means somewhere we should have taken an exit somewhere around 10,025 or so. We should have taken an exit. And those who have not taken an exit, see, stock has once gone above, it has gone very close to our stop loss level also. Okay. And see here, it has hit our stop loss. At this level, it has hit our stop loss also. So see, friends, we should follow the system strictly. If we follow the system strictly, we can make money. But if we don't follow the system strictly, because I'm taking two things are combined together, they give us better results. See, once there is a once there was a bullish crossover by MACD, and stock has RSI has gone above 30 level from below 20. Okay, so once RSI crosses above 30 from below, so that's an indication that stock can move upward. So see, from this level, stock has gone, this Nifty has gone from 10,005 level, it has moved up to 10,108. So one would have taken an entry also. One can take a long entry also. In this level, one can take an entry also. But see, there was no confirmation from MACD, so better avoid unless both the indicators give us a signal at the same time. So see, MACD has given us a signal at this time that we can take an entry in this stock in Nifty somewhere around 10,000, 30, 80, 30, 40 level. Yeah, 40 level somewhere. So it has given us a signal because see, RSI is, it was already, above 30. So once stock or anything goes above 30 from below, always remember it should go above 30 from below. Okay, it should go above 30 from below. That's a sign, that's an indication, that's a sign that stock can rise. Okay, so you could see a something same has happened. But see, RSI has given us a, signal at the right time, but MACD signal was late. So MACD signals are little late, friends. Its signals are delayed. Okay. right? So its signals are somewhat late. So see, if someone has followed MACD only, so the exit should be at this level. The person should have taken exit at somewhere around 10,039, okay, 40 somewhere, okay, and sell entry was somewhere 65. So the person might have gone, or hardly it has gone, we can say 25 points, but still he would have made money. Still he would have made money, right? Okay. Now let us see. Let us move forward. See, friends, once at this level, once stock has crossed above this, MACD has gone above zero level. Okay. Once it has gone above zero level, so it's an indication. It's an indication for those who have shorted it, so they must take an exit. Okay. If they have not taken exit, so see, their stop loss would be hit here. See, and RSI has also gone above 50. RSI has also gone above 50. So friends, I have told you how to follow this RSI and MACD indicator together. Follow it strictly. Okay, you will make money. So for friends, this is enough for intraday. This is enough for intraday. Okay, you can follow the system rightly, you will make money. Okay, now let me just tell you for positional trades how we can make use of these indicators for positional trades. So for there are different types of positional trades. Short positional trade for 3 to 5 days. Okay, for that you can use 1 hour chart. Hourly charts are very good for short positional trades. There are different people who want to go longer short in any stock. Okay, for only for 3 5 days. Okay, so those who want it for very short positional trades, that is for just 3 days to 5 days, or we can say 1 week. So for them I suggest 1 hour chart. Okay, use 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour time frame is best for them. Those who want to trade for 3 to 5 days maximum, for them 1 hour time frame is best. Okay, so look at 1 hour time frame. This nifty has gone below 50, so it's a clear indication of weakness, friends. It's a clear indication of weakness, and you could see that there was a bearish crossover of this MACD. There was a bearish crossover of MACD. Okay, so once both the indicators give us a signal, only then we should go short or long. Follow that follow this both the indicators together. That's why I added both the indicators, because both the indicators combined they give us very good results. But sometimes if we follow just one indicator, so its signal may be sometime the signal may be false. But if both the indicators are given, see, on this day, let me mark at what level that both the indicators have shown us. This is a level, friends. 50 RSI has gone below 50. Okay, and MACD has also already made a crossover. Okay, so there was a bearish crossover, means on this day. Okay, somewhere this level, friends. Yes, this level. So what was the level? That was the level of 10,531. At the level of 10,531, these both indicators are telling us that Nifty is weak now. Okay, it is weak now, and there is a sell signal. So see, those if someone has those who are trading futures, now it's not futures chart. I am not checking futures chart. Okay, but somewhere if we check in future charts also, maybe there is a little difference. Sometimes 10-20 points difference is there. But as the as the expiry closes, so even future charts they come very close to this spot chart. Okay, so their levels are almost equal. So somewhere around we can say 10,530 or so, maybe 10,520 or so, there was a signal that that Nifty is it's weak now, and there's a sell signal, there's a bearish crossover by MACD. So one would have gone short in futures. One would have gone short in futures at this level. Okay, so here we can keep stop loss up some we can keep stop loss up previous level, friends. Let me just check the previous level. If we are to go short in this level, so we can keep stop loss up previous level, this level, friends, means this candle high. And you could see there is a accumulation phase. There is an accumulation phase for approximately 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 to 8 hours. Okay, for 7 to 8 hours stock remained there. So this is a very good level to keep a stop loss. So stop loss comes to be 10,600. Okay, let me mark this level. Our stop loss, this is our positional stop loss. Okay, so friends, we have to look at some range or some level where stock has found it difficult to cross. So that level is a very good stop loss level. Okay, so our stop loss level comes to be somewhere 10,600 605, we can say approximately 10,605. Yeah, somewhere this level. Okay, so we would have gone short in 10,530 level, and see next day there is a gap down opening. There was a gap down opening, and see friends, we will take an exit only once MACD, it gives us any bullish crossover. Okay, or there is a signal from once RSI goes below, we can say somewhere below, it goes below 30, and once it comes above 30 or anywhere it gives us movement above 50, RSI 50, then only we can take an exit. So see, so far nowhere it has given. Yes, one where this level, friends. At this level, friends, this day RSI has gone below 30. Okay, it has came above 30 level. Okay, RSI has also came above 30, and see, uh, MACD signal is little late. MACD signal is little late, right? So this is the MACD signal. MACD has shown at this level. We should have taken an exit from our positional trade. Okay. So see here, friends, on let me check on which day we have taken a short entry on the closing time. Not closing time, yeah, it is 1:30 actually. It's 1:30 on 17th. On 17th of October, this RSI and MACD, they have given us a sell signal for Nifty. Okay, and we would have shorted somewhere around 10,530 or so. Yeah, 530 or so. Yes, 530. Okay, and let us check from 17th. It has given us a signal to take an exit from this trade. This day when RSI has crossed above 30 from below. Once RSI crosses above 30 from below and sustains, means this time we should have taken an exit anywhere in this level. This day we should have taken exit. So this is 23rd, friends. So on 23rd of this October, on 17th we have taken we have gone short, and on 23rd we should have taken exit by 12. Sorry, by 2:30. This is 14:30. Yeah, 14:30 is 2:30. Okay, so by 2:30 we should have taken exit from our short trade. So friends, this is a level. Let us say we have exited this level of 10,182. Okay, and how much difference is there? Let me, I will mark this line over here. I will keep this line, means at this level we would have taken an exit somewhere. Let us say we exited somewhere 10,190. Let us say we have exited 10,190 and we have gone short 10,000. So let us calculate how much difference is there, how much profit is there. Okay, so we have gone short 10,530. Okay, and we have exited somewhere 10,190. So we have got 340 points, friends. We have got 300 points in just how many days? This is 17th and this is 23rd. Means, friends, in yes, in if we look at in trading days, in just 1 and 2 trading days, friends, in just 3 trading days, maximum 3 trading days, we have got this much profit. Okay, so in just 3 days, friends, just in 3 trading days, because this is 1 trading day. 17th, on 17th we have gone short. This is 18th. Sorry, 18th was a holiday. On 19th, you could see on 19th there was a gap down opening, and on 20th is also a holiday. I think no. Let us just check. Let us just check whether there was a holiday or not. Because it shows 17, 19 and 20. Yes, friends. On 17th we have gone short, and this 19, 22, and 23rd. On 23rd we have we have exited our trade from our trade. So by what time we should have taken an exit? This is by 1:30 or 2:30 somewhere. Yes, by 2:30 we should have taken exit. So friends, we have got 340 points. Okay, we have got 340 points, friends. Awesome. So friends, for positional trades, we can follow the setup very rightly. Okay, but we need to follow it strictly, friends. Follow it strictly, we will make good money. We can make good money. And I hope everybody is clear with this session, this setup, that how we can make use of for this setup for positional trade. So for those who want to trade for 3 to 5 days maximum, for them I suggest 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame is very good for those who want to take a entry, long or short entry in any stock, in a nifty, bank nifty, anywhere. Okay, so we can make use of this indicator in both these indicators in 1 hour time frame. Okay, because 1 hour time frame gives a right time signal, okay, for both exit and entry. Okay, so I have shown you where we have taken a short entry and where we should take an exit from this trade, right? So follow this setup, friends. It's awesome. Okay, it's really very well, it works very well, because we have got 340 points in just 3 trading days, in 3 days trading days, friends. It's really awesome, and I hope everybody is clear with this setup. Friends, if this setup is clear, you just tell me, just message me. Those who want to trade for longer time, they should use daily chart. But for short, those who want to trade just for 3 to 5 days, for them 1 hour time frame is best. Okay, and accordingly we can go for 2 hours time frame, 3 hour, 4 hour. Okay, because we have an option in investing.com. We have an option of check the charts in different hours. So you could see at 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, and 1 day. Okay, those who want to trade for longer time, they can go with daily chart. So let us just check on daily chart. So here, friends, on daily chart it has gone. There is a signal. See, MACD's signal was little earlier. Okay, look at this on daily chart. Look at on daily chart, friends. For daily, intraday, use 5 minutes. Use 5 minutes, or we can go with 15 minutes as well. Always remember, the higher the time frame, the more reliable is the signal. The signal would be very reliable. Okay, so we can go with 15 minutes. We can go with 15 minutes for intraday also, because higher time frame gives us more reliable signals. So follow 15 minutes. I like 5 minutes because it gives, friends, there is no difference actually. I like 5 minutes. Okay, because signal is sometime earlier. Okay, so see here, friends, those who want to go for a longer time frame for whole expiry, okay, they can follow they can follow daily chart. So see, on daily chart, this Nifty it has shown weakness at, let me mark the levels, because see, I will mark both the levels of RSI is also already marked, but I will mark the crossover level of MACD. I will mark the crossover level of MACD. So see here, friends, this day, crossover has happened somewhere this level. So what was the level in chart of Nifty? I will take one more line to mark that level. See, MACD has given us sell signal at this level, 11,513. 11,513. Okay, MACD has given us a sell signal at that level. Okay, but RSI has shown weakness in strength at this level. This is the level of same level, friends, but its signal is little late actually. Yes, signal is little late, after few days. It has given us signal on which day? MACD has given us signal on 9th of sorry, not 9th, it's 3rd of September. On 3rd of September, this MACD has given a signal in the very signal by the MACD, okay, on 3rd of September. But MACD, sorry, RSI has given a confirmation for the sell entry on this day. What day is this? Yeah, this is 10th of September, friends. Means after 7 days, after 1 week, it has given us a sell signal. Okay, so as I told you that we should follow both the indicators together. So we can go short on this day. We can go short on Nifty. We can go short on Nifty futures, somewhere around 11,505 or so. Let us say we should go short on 11,500 level. Okay, we should have gone short on 11,500 level on 10th of September, and we should simply keep a stop loss at the previous level high. So that level comes to be this, friends. This level is 11,750. Okay, 11,750 level is our stop loss. Okay, so means how much difference is there? There is a difference. Simply, there's a difference of approximately 250 points. Okay, if we have to follow it rightly, this is the right setup. This is the right way to follow it strictly. 750 or so. Yes, 750 or so. Okay, and or we can take one more thing, friends. Those who don't want more risk, they can simply take any level of previous days, any previous day level high. So let me just mark previous level high, this level. That is approximately 11,610 or 20. Yes, let me mark this level with the red line. If we don't want more risk, but the right signal, I told you, the right stop loss level is somewhere 750 level. So means 250 points difference was there. There was a difference of 250 points. But those who don't want more risk, they can they can do is they can simply take previous day's high. So this day on 10th of September, it has given us a sell signal by both indicators, that they have shown a sell signal. Okay, so in this case, when both indicators are giving a sell signal, we can simply rely on previous day high as a stop loss. So previous day high is this high is somewhere 11,603, but for just keep some buffer up somewhere around 20 points. So I'm saying you can keep a stop loss of somewhere 620 or 30 points, 20 points. Let us say we keep stop loss up. So I'm just telling you, friends, those who don't want more risk, those who are a kind of safe players, once both the indicators, I'm telling you, don't just follow anything. Okay, I am telling you with the logic. The logic is both the indicators are shown that the Nifty is weak now. So in this case, we can take us entry at this level of 10,000. Sorry, 11,500 and what is the level? 500. Let us say 11,500. Yes, we have gone short at 11,500 level. Okay, and here we can keep a stop loss at 11,620. Okay, we can keep stop loss at that level. Okay, so friend, there is a risk of approximately 120 points. There is a risk of 120 points. So see what happened after that. It has given us a huge profit. Those who have a courage to bear this much loss, 120 points loss, they should have gone short. And see, in the very next day, it has given us this shows 11,291. So very next day, friends, very next day, it has given us, let us say we have taken profit at 11,300. So we have gone 200 points, friends. The very next day, it has given us 200 points. Okay, the very next day, it has given us 200 points. So awesome, friends. So we should have taken friends, always remember, whenever you get a big profit, so you should take profit and again sell the stock or anything again at highs. So see, one would have taken exit at once at this level. Those who are very safe players, what should they do? What does they should do? Or what does they do? Okay, you could see one day it has given us sell signal. Okay, second day, it has given us a big profit up to 100 points. Okay, and here are for safe players, it was the right exit once they should have taken an exit. Okay, again on next day, see, after 2 days, on third day stock has again fallen down. So on third day we can take re-entry. On third day we can take re-entry. Okay, and see what happened after that. But those who are patient traders, for them the risk to reward should be, they should have kept a stop loss of 250 points, that is 750 level or so, 11,750 or so. Okay, and sit calm. Okay, wait for the whole month, or wait for the for these indicators to give us a signal. So see friends, nowhere these indicators have given us a buy signal this day friends. On this day, this is on 16th of October. On 16th of October, it has given us MACD has given us a signal that now the Nifty can rise. Okay, and see, even look at friends, this day I told you on 10th of September we should have gone short, and see, at one point it just crossed above 50, 53, but could not sustain. Okay, and see, and once gone below 20. See here friends, once it has gone below 20, see RSI value. RSI value is 22 or so. Once it has gone below 20, okay, again once touched 30. Okay, this day friends, this day it has crossed above 30 level from below. Once RSI crosses above 30 from below, okay, that's a condition, that's a signal. And you could see there is a, okay, look at this arrangement, there's a shooting star arrangement. Okay, there's a shooting star. Okay, shooting star pattern is there. Okay, so this is an indication that stock can rise now, that Nifty can rise. So it's a better signal friends that we can take an exit. We should have taken an exit. So suppose we have taken exit this day, or let us say on this day as well. Okay, we should have taken exit at this level. So what is the level friends? This day is actually 540, 10,540, and we have shorted at 10,530 approximately. So how much points friends? We have got 1,000 points. We have got 1,000 points with a risk of 250 points. Is it a bad setup? So it's really awesome friends. Those who have the courage to bear a risk of 250 points, they would have earned 1,000 points by this day only. Okay, I'm just telling you because now RSI sustained above 30 from below. It crossed below, above 30 from below and sustained above 30. So that's a condition that we should take an exit now. So we would have taken exit with 1,000 points, and nowhere it has given such indication. You could see this day we entered on 10th of September. Okay, from 10th of September onwards, stock remained weak on both on RSI and MACD. MACD gives us a MACD signal are very friends more it gives signal. Sometimes it signals sometimes it signal confusing actually. See, MACD signal are still intact. It's showing bearishness, but see these days it has given some movement upside. So means we could say that stock is we can say it in two ways. Either the signal is very reliable, okay, or it is little confusing as well. The signal may confuse few. So few people get confused. Okay. Right friends, so this is the right positional setup. I have told you that how we can make for positional setup, we can accordingly follow it. Right. So I hope everybody is is now comfortable with what I have told, what I have taught you. So friends, there is a request. If you like my video, if you like my teachings, okay, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and friends, promote my channel. Okay, as much as, because see, I'm giving you different strategies, different things. I'm giving you free of cost. I'm not charging anything. I just want there's a small request that you can promote my channel. Okay, and that if you like, okay, if you like. If you don't like, don't promote, don't like. Okay. So I hope this thing is clear, friends. So with this, I'm closing the session here. Okay, I'm closing the session here because see, friends, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. For 7 days movement, there is no clear indication. Since for 7 days, there is no clear indication that where the Nifty will go. But as a usual, okay. But see, MACD and RSI both are indicating that it can still break, but it's at a make and break level. Now Nifty is at a make and break level, friends. If it would break, then we could see somewhere around that we have to see. It may fall down to 9,500 level also, 95 level also maximum. Okay, I could see. And MACD has also started giving us a bearish signal. MACD has tried to give a bearish signal, but we need to take it confirmation. RSI is actually already at 30 level. Okay, so it is already oversold level. It's already oversold. So there is a high probability of reversal from this level. So Nifty is at a make and break level. Nifty is at a make and break level. Okay. So if it could not sustain, if it could not reverse from 10,000 level, okay, it can fall down to 9,500 or so, at least 9,700 or so, at least. If it does not sustain this 10,000 level, surely it will fall 300 points. Surely, maybe maximum 500 points or so, but it should sustain, friends. As per RSI, RSI is already at 30 level, so it's already at the, we can say, oversold level. It is at the already oversold level. Okay, so we have to see, friends, in coming days. We have to see in tomorrow. We have to see where the Nifty goes, whether it gives us a sell signal or it gives us some reversal sign. So we have to wait for that. We have to wait and watch. Okay, friends. So with this, I'm closing the session here. Friends, if you have any query, I will just wait for 5 minutes. Just for 5 minutes, because I don't want the session to be longer. Because some people face it, difficulty in watching this long videos. But use both indicator, friends. They will work wonders. Okay, let me just check in 15 minutes for intraday. Always remember, higher the time frame, the more reliable is the signal. Always remember this thing. See, for intraday, it has shown sell at this level. Okay, means 10,142. Okay, it fallen down to 10,080. This is on 25th, no? Okay, yes, it is on 25th. It has given us 145 and it made low to 1,080, 485. Okay. So fine, I like for intraday, I like 5 minutes time frame. Okay, we can go with 50 minutes time frame as well. See, even at this candle, there was a sell signal. Okay. Sorry, this is on 26 actually. So see, if we follow in 15 minutes time frame, so we would not have got any entry. See, if we have shorted at this level 10,030 or so, see, it has gone to 10,000 okay, 4 or so, because the MACD is now started upwards movements. Okay, so in 15 minutes it looks little confusing. Okay, in 15 minutes its signal is okay, because it surely speaking, it has not given us, as per 15 minutes, the signal is little confusing, because see, if we have shorted somewhere, okay, so its stock has gone higher, though it has not hit a stop loss. Yes, it has hit a stop loss also. So friends, for intraday, I like 5 minutes. Okay, because the signal are right time. Yes, friends, I will post it. You can check it through same link I have shared. Okay, that is the link of the video also. But I will post it once. Okay, friends, if there is any doubt, please tell me. If there is any doubt regarding this setup, please tell me. For intraday, I always suggest and I always go with 5 minutes, because 5 minute signals, it's timely signal. We can take the right time decision. See friends, how it looks in 5 minutes time frame. So in 5 minutes time frame, it has given us a bicycle. But follow both the indicators, friends. Follow both the indicators. Just like at this level, we would have taken an entry in the buy side. If we have taken buy side entry in this level of 10,035 35 or so, 3540 level as well. Okay, keeping up stop loss, even immediate level, 10,028 or so. Okay, or the most probably we could keep stop loss of this 10,010. Okay, so means 30 points stop loss, or we can, those who are safe players, they can keep stop loss at this level also, 10,025 also. Okay, taken buy entry, and it has moved up to 10,109. 109, yes, wonderful. Okay, because both indicators are now given us a moment. It has moved up above 30. Okay, and MACD has also, there's a bullish crossover of MACD also. So we would have taken entry in this level, 10,040. Okay, keeping stop loss at 10,025. Okay, and it with a means just 15 point stop loss, it has given a very good movement upside. So friends, follow it strictly. Follow the setup both sided. Okay, follow the setup both sided. So I hope friends, everybody is clear with this setup. There might be, okay, because nobody is saying anything. So I'm closing the session here, and I wish you all a very good luck, friends. Friends, always bear in mind just one word with you all, and I'm highly thankful that friends, I have got 10,000. Sorry, 1,000. Sorry, by this time I have got 1,000 YouTube subscribers. So I'm highly thankful to all of you for your love, for your we can say, so to be in my channel, friends. So friends, this is my word with everybody, that always before taking any entry in any short or by a long or short entry, friends, before taking an entry in any trade, we should decide a risk. Always decide a risk, how much risk you are ready to bear with. Okay, if you are comfortable with that risk, only go with that trade. If you're not comfortable with the risk, okay, don't go with the trade. So don't expect, don't just look for profit. Just look at the end, that there may be a, look at the other side of the coin. You should always look at the other side of the coin. Don't think of just making profit, just think of how much we can lose. So friends, our approach in the market should be like this, that if wherever we are going to enter in any trade, so before thinking of profits, we should think of our losses, that how much money we can lose in this trade. If we follow this system, we will make good money, or we will never lose big money. But people come with a different mindset. They think of making profit, but they don't think of making they don't think of losses, how much loss they can have. So they take trades in huge quantity. In a one trade, they take huge quantity without thinking how much money they can lose. And in case the stop loss is hit, they lose big money. And that is the thing that most of the people do, especially the newbie traders, those who are new to market. They don't understand the risk to reward. They don't understand risk to reward, and they lose big money. So friend, this is my request to everybody, that follow, don't look at profit side. Profit is it's not in our hands. Only thing that is in our hand is our risk, that how much risk a stock is giving us, how much risk is there. If we are comfortable with that much risk without any pain, if we can digest that much risk without pain, we should go with that trade only. So try to find that trade where we get the lowest or the least risk. Okay, and take a calculated risk of once you got some stop loss level. Okay, then we should take up we should do it at right position sizing. We should do it right position sizing. We should take that much risk that we should not lose more than 1 to 2% of our total trading capital. Okay, on intraday basis. And for positional players, even for positional players, there is a there is also a thumb rule of 8%. So don't ever bear a loss of 8 to 10% in any trade if you have gone long or short. But if the trade gives you 8 to 10% loss from your entry, this is for investors, friends. This is for investors. Those who are investors, for them. 8 to 10% risk is the thumb rule. We should stop or we should exit from that trade if it gives us 8 to 10% loss. Strictly follow this system, friends. Okay, friends. So with this note, I'm closing the session here. Wishing you all good luck and thanks for joining this session.